Hey everyone! In this video, I want to talk about desires, right? Your wants, your desires. And I want to talk about them in the sense that they are gifts from the universe, from God, from Source, okay? And they are wanting to be expressed through you. So things that you want, things that come to you where you're like, oh my God, I'd love to have this, or I'd love to have that, or I'd love to experience this or that. That is the universe wanting to experience through you, okay? And what can happen is our humanness can then block it. We feel bad about having these desires. We feel greedy. Why me? I'm not worthy of it. All of these stories that we make up of why we can't have the things that we want. And I want you to have this perspective shift. So you start to open yourself up to the desires and the things that you want, knowing that there's a higher purpose for it. That the universe, God, Source, whatever you call it, is wanting to see through your eyes. It's wanting to experience those things that you want, okay? Because that's what it's all about. It's about experiencing these things in life, okay? And the universe and Source, you know, it wants to have this experience. So it's using your body and energy to come through to be able to experience that. And so I want you to stop blocking that. Maybe you have a desire to be really rich and be able to afford anything you want. The universe wants to experience that. And so it's coming through you. And you just need to allow that to come through and allow the universe to create through you, because that's what it's doing. It's creating through you. But if you block it by your humanness, then it can't come through and you're like blocking it, because you do have free will. So you do have choice. You have choice whether you want to experience or not. And if you're more focused on being fearful of experiencing that, or all the reasons why you can't experience that, that's what you will experience. But if you allow that to release and let go and think, no, actually, I'm going to allow this experience into my life and allow these manifestations to come through, then you're actually opening yourself up to experience that with the universe, like a sort of like a co-creating experience, all right? So I want you to start feeling grateful for these desires and wants that come through, and start really looking at, well, if this is what wants to be experienced through me, one, of course, ask yourself, is that what you want? And if it is, go for it. And if it's not, don't. Then don't do it. Okay, so yeah, I just really want you to get that these desires and wants are wanting to come through you and physicalize and express from that spiritual realm into the physical reality, into the third dimension. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this resonates, if you have any questions as well, and what desires are currently coming through you at the moment that you want to manifest and that you might be blocking. Let me know in the comments. And also just let me know, what desires are coming through you that are really exciting and that, you know, you want to actually happen in your life. And also let me know if there's any reasons why you have thought that that's not possible for you, or all of the reasons I gave in the video of why you haven't been allowing these desires and wants to come through. Alrighty, I hope it's been helpful. Let me know in the comments any questions. Also, make sure you like it so I know you like this kind of content. Also, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos that I do. And I also do readings as well, so you don't want to miss any of that, because it's amazing. It'll change your life. And I love having you here. Thanks for your support, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.